Metro trains at Clayton railway crossing at.
So we can stand other side, sir. This is not sunny.
Oh, okay.
Going.
So we can stand other side and not sunny here.
Bro, I said don't talk on my camera.
I'm not talking.
No, I hear the sound.
Okay. Yeah, we can stand and wait for you. Why don't you take picture? Oh yeah, whatever you want to take. You are the YouTuber anyway.
Metro trains.
Two train coming. Two train.
Metro trains at Clayton railway crossing.
Oh, we have train coming. Oh, okay.
Look, there's the
That's why we
ACMT.
need to stand. That's why he was telling me that I need to stand behind. Oh, okay, I got it.
We just always stand side, waiting for the train because the people are working.
Oh, that means train coming.
Tomato. Cranbourne line. More train. Two train.
Yes, upper door is a green light. It's a two train.
Oh, is it in Genius? Yes, city new. Ah! Inabode.
Okay, come.
Bro, there's two trains,
Yes.
but they are not in Genius at all. Damn. Bro, look at that. There's two HCMTs, bro.
You know,
I'm so glad.
the train, right?
Goodbye, guys.